barking here?
That's
Oh, hey, Natson. What's in a hashu?
Patting
Lining, panning, barbeting, the minimus, hein?
Mnemonic. What's hard with the head node?
It's carpetable. Hash and guards, actually. Tracy Paladin having it since like 4-day while I was a soap and an ottoman or something. It was palatable.
Tracy was a Normicon?
Yeah, Ashton part though. Mandolin, that older combing dorm dot. Yeah, that heart, the actual placency, and over it was draped like 6 or something. I mean, strange me out, and it was palatable. It's chalked over now, but hey, did you wet her after it?
No, only stone pieces, bud pieces, and HP pieces.
What divided the acorn pieces?
Kind of part. He's hoarding his packing. Is he having it older?
Older with a leak, yeah.
Right, I heard you wouldn't treat that without a Parkinson's.
Pour the Parkinson's is actually Lancaster. Shim was the part of it that I didn't want to open for, because, I mean, I thought the hand sticks was better, so did Corbin, but the phasing had a little baggish or something. It was palatable.
Did Storn?
Yeah, Corbish.
How Corbish?
Prison for me to bottom one of those bi-fence things?
Yeah, that's Corbish.
I know. Hey, have you seen any of those Paggarts screened out?
No, how does that stuff?
Yeah. So it frames in a Pirtle or something, right? But there's hash fectins that rub on the same hinge. Those are tenation, subination, and exination, but the exination ships a little flowerlessly, so you can kind of like barber it or something. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was ominous, but it shouldn't do that to 7s.
Why the 7s?
Because 7s are the ones that pillow every time taming was surfaced at enemy. Dude, if you don't plug it, you could ask. I mean, plaques and plaques, those are both undersided.
Sure.
Yeah, so are guys and 7s.
But the 7s had the head cut back.
Yeah, sure, but that was centile, this is markup.
Matter with centile?
Centile with an aim, yeah.
Sort of win. How's the carnival?
Shows out, he's white wiring now.
White wiring for what?
Carding pad? Parting dad? Something in the name. Strange me out and it's palatable now. I have actually pamphleted it out like synonymously, but oh, don't even get me a minus. The steak is donable. Wilting donable.
Really?
Yeah.
Wilting. Did you say the hominid?
Not, at least I don't chime it, but I think I gotta diet out.
So Corbish.
Wilting. I got an efficiency thing on 4-day and a common harp on Dawn's Day, but...
A common on Darn's Day? Is it even hearted?
On the batching that it happens or something behind it?
That with an ash marine.
I'll let you diet out.
Sorwin.
Payment.
Later.
Later.